the trial is ongoing now. And although a lot is being said outside the court, indeed the case is being discussed more outside the court now than in the court, which is an anomaly. In spite of that, one will still have to express one's view about what is going on. Now, let me say that there's a lot of suggestion in the public domain that the trial be stopped and that Nnamdi Kanu be released. Many people, including lawyers, senior lawyers, have called it a political witch hunt and a political trial. Indeed, some have suggested that it's the persecution of an entire ethnic group from which Nnamdi Kanu is extracted. There'll be a lot of outlandish, very, outrageous declarations and pontifications in the media. Now the trial is going on. What do I think should happen? I think that while the president should be open to suggestions for a political settlement and solution, the rule of law must be maintained. A criminal defendant has been asked to defend himself. We must shun the theatrics. Legal team being sacked, defending oneself by himself, and all that. These are theatrics. Going to organize protest outside to stop the trial, obviously, and to precipitate a release. All these are theatrics. There's a trial going on. The criminal defendant has the right to defend himself. If he defends himself and is not sentenced, is acquitted, all of us will be happy. If he's convicted, that does not stop the call for a political solution. I'm saying this because of this. This is not the first time things like this will happen in this country. Following 1999, when around here, a lot of people were still talking about, do a nation and all that, as the fallout of the annulment of June 12th. People have forgotten this. President Olusegun Obasanjo arrested Dr. Freddy Fasil and kept them in detention for a long time, even while it was being pretended that they were being tried in Abuja. The other person, Gani Adams, it was not Otumba then, it was not Chief then, it was just Gani Adams, who was also fighting, was also arrested. And Asari Dokubo was also arrested at some point. And the two of them, went through some kind of trial and all that while they are in detention. And at a particular time, they were released. As a matter of fact, before Freddy Fashion, God rest his soul, Dr. Freddy Fashion was released, there was also a drama like this in court. He slumped and fell on the floor, and the wife, God bless him, was saying, meaning that it was drama. And then thereafter, he was released. This will continue to happen. And we've seen them because people are making comparisons. Okay? This is happening to Nnamdi Kanu. It's not happening to some bandits who are being encouraged to lay down their arms and they're having peace accord with them and so on and so forth. I think to vindicate the rule of law, this trial should be hastened, should be accelerated. And then let's come to the end of it. Because the impression is being given, and I'm not happy with that impression, that people commit crimes in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, against Nigeria, are easily convicted where they are. Finland had no business convicting Simon Ekpa. What he did didn't impact Finland. But they found a way that what he was doing was against their own laws. And he's a convict now, accelerated. Henry Oka allegedly committed criminal offenses in Nigeria. Bolted, he went to South Africa. He's jailed in South Africa now. So why is it easy for people who did something against Nigeria, who ran outside Nigeria, Why is it easier to have them face the law? And it's so difficult in our country to have this, because here people valorize criminality and deify rascality.